on, except for these two little flower petals. After I do all this trim,
is cool.
then I have to do some greenery.
Sunshine.
I have to do some floral work with this plant stuff.
Yeah.
Around the edge and stuff, and then I'll be done.
This is beautiful. What's this
yet.
little like?
Then I'll light it up and we can put
Is that
on
a
a video.
sword grate?
No, that goes on here. Do you have a? We all still have that small Lazy Susan? Do we? Did we throw that out?
How small?
We used to have a small Lazy Susan. Anyways, we'll just put this. We'll take a video in the round. We'll walk around.
I just moved one of your.
Lazy Susans.
Yeah, clay making.
Oh, the thingies. Yeah.
What do you call them?
Yeah.
Heavy metal one. I just moved it.
Where'd you put it?
It's upstairs. So I just moved it from so he can get out the window. So I moved it onto the floor.
Okay.
But
yeah.
It'll be perfect for this.
We have one in the other room here, so we'll put it on there.
Okay. We just need a place to display it.
Yeah, I don't know why I can't think of what that's called because I use it all the time.
Yeah, banding wheel.
Banding wheel.
It just came to me.
I thought, oh my god.
I'm so 55.
Am I get Alzheimer's or what?
No, it's natural decline.
It's just I don't use it that often.
That's
anymore.
what he says anyway. Wings are done.
Okay. Cool.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it's gonna be really not sharp when it's all done, and then I'll light it up. We'll put it on a banding wheel, and then we can take a little video.
Yeah, we'll tell a little story about Cathy's flower house. Cathy's flower house.
The other ones I have on the thing is the one's called Emily's Flower Shop.
Emily's Flower Shop. That's comes. Cathy sells to Emily, and then Emily sells to the neighborhood.